Hello, my crafty people. Welcome to Upcycle Creation. This is Michi, your host, and today we are going to see what a chorizo looks like under a microscope. I'm going to let you go and see this video real quick. It is super extra gross. After I recorded this, as I was recording it, I came up with a decision that I am no longer going to eat chorizo. For those of you who don't know what chorizo is, it's a Mexican, like, Mexicans love chorizo in the breakfast with some eggs, and they taste pretty good, I mean, to be honest. But this is gross. I don't know what is that on there. My understanding of chorizo is that it's made with different parts of different animals, and it's all grind up together to make like a sausage kind of thing. This is the skin, the little skin thingy that comes, the chorizo comes wrapped in. Again, this is another close-up of the skin. That's, I don't know what is that weird thing in there. And those black dots, I have no idea what are those. I tried looking for them without the microscope, and I couldn't find it. So it has to be something inside of the meat. Probably came from the bone or whatever part of the whatever animal it was ground up. Again, this is a close-up of the skin, the little wrapper thingy. People do eat that wrapper. Some people do. I don't. This is without the wrapper. This is a close-up of the chorizo, a naked chorizo. Oh my god, that even sound bad. So yeah, that's a close-up of the wrapper, only the wrapper without the chorizo. And as you can see, there are weird things in there. Again, that's a close-up of the wrapper. That's only the wrapper. It has no chorizo, like the meat is not in there. And you can see it again. That's more clear. And that is the chorizo without the wrapper again. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And again, let me know what other things you want to see under the microscope. I'm always listening and open for more suggestions. Until next video, please stay safe and have a good one for now. Bye bye now.